they play Prince to pull, and he does. In the air to right, coming to get it. Gomez, he can't. This play backed up by Matt Carpenter, the second baseman, and big Prince Fielder is going to motor all the way around to third with a triple. That's got Mariano clapping and smiling as Prince Fielder gets to third base with a rare triple.
Now, Carlos Gomez had to respect the power of Prince Fielder, playing deep, trying for the shoestring catch. And Matt Carpenter, the second baseman, eventually fielded the ball. How many times do you see that?
And they loved it.
2007. Rips it to right. Hermida comes on and missed the ball. And it gets by him, and it goes to the track, and that will cost a run. Hardy will score. Fielder gets in. The Marlins botched the relay as well.
Boy, oh boy, a misplay last inning, a double play running and forgetting the outs was Chris Coghlan. Misplays here. When you're in a close ball game and you have a pitcher who's pitching the way JJ is, you just can't do that. Ball was hit off the hands. It wasn't struck sharply by Fielder. But it looked like Jeremy Hermida was going to make the catch.
High fly to center. And if Ford sees it, he'll catch it.
That baby's up there.
He didn't see it. He never saw it. And Fielder will round second. And he'll round third. And Castillo's throw to the plate. Not in time. An inside the park home run for Prince Fielder.
Oh, for Joe Nathan, that's the first home run that he has allowed. You see Fielder hitting it. You see Ford. He has no idea where it's at. And it lands behind him. By the time the Twins can get it back in, it's an inside.
You're coming inside. You don't want it right there.
Ortiz hits it in the air to left center field. Back at the track, at the wall. It's off the wall. 2 runs are going to score. Ortiz stopped running, but he's still going to make it to third, and it's a 1-run game. With Rivera standing and watching in the bullpen, Ortiz goes deep to left center off Gordon. And Ortiz came within a matter of feet of making this comeback complete and getting it out of here for an 8-8 score.
Ortiz to center field, struck well. Adam Jones going back. He will not get this. It's off the wall, and so is he. The ricochet, he'll run down as Ortiz runs for third, and he will get there, standing with a triple. And it's laced into right center field. Is going to get down and head for the triangle. Nava will score. Park from first base is going to come around. Big Poppy's thinking 3. Throw to third will be not in time. It's a triple. 2 runs in, and the Sox lead it 6-0.
Come on, Big Frank.
Setting up outside, and the pitch is hit a long way into right field.
Get out!
And Deer at the wall, can't get it.
Inside the park.
Deer is injured out there. Thomas being held up at third. He's got a triple and 2 RBIs, and listen to the Sox fans at County Stadium.
You know, off the bat, I think we both have to agree, Jim, that ball was out of the ballpark. The wind kept it in. This guy has great power the opposite field. And Rob Deer had to run a mile, what appeared to be a country mile, trying to get that ball. He is so strong. I thought he nailed it. I mean, just out of here. There's a fastball out over the plate.
902, 4,000 for details. Prince Fielder down the right field line. And Prince will start this inning with a double. Now he's still running. Alex Rios wants time to be called. Fielder is keeping on trucking, and he will score. And this is going to be an inside the park home run for Prince Fielder.
I'd love to be able to tell you what's going on, but from the press box here, we can't see the right fielder down in the corner. Well, the first base umpire, Chad Fairchild, went down there, gave the safe sign, saying you got to dig it out, do something to get to it.
307. 8 homers, 30 RBIs. Verlander. That's a fly ball into right. Back into the corner. Bautista can't get there, and it's fair. Gets away from Bautista. 3 runs are going to score. And Sandoval ends up at third base. He's just made it 4-0 National League. So Verlander got the nod. He has allowed 3 hits, 2 walks. And the National League, which has won the last 2 All-Star games, has a 4-run first inning, and they're not finished.
Sandoval, high and deep to right, and off the bricks. Pence is going to score. The Panda is headed for 3. He's going to make it.
Seven grill. That's headed that way. Hairston way back to the plate, up on Taos Hill. Pudge around second, churning for third, looping throw will not get him. RBI triple, his second triple for Pudge Rodriguez. 9-2 Astros. Wow, did he hit a ball halfway up on the hill.
Behind the plate. Mike Piazza, the man catching behind him, is making his 9th. That one's drilled to right field. Way back, Sosa at the wall. Cannot get it. A late start for Suzuki. He's just rounding third. Here's Sosa's throw to the plate. Not in time, and it is a 3-bagger. And an RBI for Rodriguez and a 1-0 American League lead.
Well, you have to tip your hat to Pudge Rodriguez here. Even in the All-Star game where everybody wants to be the MVP with a man on second and nobody out, he's thinking about advancing that runner. Well, he was able to do it. He hit behind the runner, and he almost hit that baseball out of the park.
2 that have all.
Malone looking for his first hit of the year.
He drives one deep left field. That goes Upton. Back near the wall. It's out of here. Bartolo has done it. The impossible has happened. The team vacates the dugout as Bartolo takes the long trot. His first career home run. And there will be nobody in the dugout to greet him. This is one of the great moments in the history of baseball. Bartolo Colon has gone deep.
I want to say that was one of the longest home run trots I've ever seen, but I think that's how fast he runs.